Testing 1 2. Testing. All right. Audio is good. All right. Gonna go live on TikTok. And I will be ready in a minute. All right. I am live on. So, how we doing today? I hope you're well. There was a man. There was a lot of excitement about the Coinbase IPO, and from what I'm seeing right now, it looks like it's kind of a buy the rumor, sell the news type thing. So be it. We know where this is going. I'm pumped. Everything's just, life is good, man. Life is good. And so, okay, Bitcoin topped out at 64,000. What was it? 64,700 today, and now it's down to 62,874 as we're speaking. And I'm like, that's fine. That's just fine. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Yes, world New York, we're going up. We're going up. So be it. If we're gonna have a slightly red day, I was hopeful. I was a little hopeful that today would be something um, significant. Dude, Dogecoin, yeah. What is up with Dogecoin? So I'm live on YouTube right now on my YouTube channel. I'm sharing my screen. So I know you can't see it if you're watching on TikTok. If you want to check out, click on my YouTube channel. It's you can see my screen. But Dogecoin, it's blowing me away. I mean, if you saw my last TikTok, hey Sullivan, what's up? If you saw my last TikTok, I'm just like, what is going? I invest. I've seen a 44x return on my Dogecoin, and the fact that it's my number one performing crypto by far. It's just like, come on, really? So if I just put in $50,000 in September in Dogecoin, then I'd be richer than anything else except for GameStop right now. You know, it's ridiculous. All right, VRA currently staking, looking solid. I have looked this up already. I'm just trying to refresh my memory right now. Veracity.io. Um, give me a second. I'd love to know, Mr. Derry, what the staking rewards are. All right, what did I see with Veracity? So I don't want to get, um, man, I'm blanking right now. So they have revenue stream subscriptions, commission prize pools, video ad revenues, and transaction fees on Veracity products. Read the tokenomics. Um, man, I'm sorry, I'm blanking on it. And 25% annual return is phenomenal. It's great. I can't remember, but I remember thinking like, yeah, VRA is awesome. But I don't remember why I loved it so much. So I just need to look it back. I don't own any, um, but I need to look more into it because people have been telling me to check that out. it's just there's so much here. I mean, if you're on my YouTube channel right now, you see you're watching the videos. I'm on coin360.com, and there's no way I can know enough about every coin to get in. You know, so what was their market cap? It's pretty small, so it's new. 33 ranked 333rd, so small-ish, not super small. Um, yeah, I'll take a look at that. High five on that Bitcoin 60K goal. What's up, Nick? Hey, Florino, what's up? Just so you guys aren't confused, I'm live on TikTok and YouTube at the same time. So, so if you see me talking about something that you don't see in the YouTube chat or vice versa, that's why. But Florino, I'm up 30% since I started with crypto in February. That's awesome, man. I love it. I'm so happy for you. I know, especially considering the fact that you got a little burned on GameStop. So make those returns on crypto. And yeah, I'm up big over the last month or so, even though Bitcoin has been somewhat flat. My BNB has been just unbelievable. It's been on a tear, and I'm pretty heavy into BNB. That's my number three behind ETH and Bitcoin as far as how much money I have on each one. Oh no, my Wi-Fi is off. Oh man. Oh, that's the worst. I don't. Hey, thanks a lot, Mr. Derry. I really appreciate it. Um, good vibes. Yeah, I think people like that. Beautiful day to be. Oh man, M. Seeing so many familiar faces. Beautiful day to be a holder. Yes, sir. Um, oh, come on, man. I'm still not. My Wi-Fi is still not on. This is killing me. All right, just give me a second because I'm live on my phone on TikTok and I'm using up my data and I pay $5 per gig for data. So biggest is ETH, then Cardano. Awesome. Oh, you're killing me. Is it on? Okay, finally we're on, so I'm not just burning through my data. So ETH and Cardano, awesome. You're gonna do well. Just make sure that you don't get greedy because we're gonna for Bitcoin, for ETH, and Cardano, especially those three, like the biggest ones. A lot of our gains are gonna be at the very end of the bull run, and so don't get caught being a bag holder. Take some profits and put those into other, some other things that you can get some solid returns on, some staking. Look up Pancake and Binance, Florino. So let's see. This live stream is brought to you by McCafe. Not really. I'm just kidding. All right. So yeah, Coinbase seems to be a buy the rumor, sell the news type thing. That's okay. That's okay. Um, but whatever. You know, we're gonna move up. I'm so pumped. I see a million in sight. I see like my portfolio. I've 5x'd, 4x'd, 5x'd overall, something like that. Because I've made some mistakes. I have some losses too. And right now, and I set a goal that I would hit $1 million in 5 years. And it seems to me like there's a chance that I'll hit it this year. So I'm thankful for that. When is Bitcoin going up to $100,000 from TikTok? Um, yes, I'm not going to try to pronounce your name. Um, I think within 50 days is my guess, and I think that there's going to be a pretty big sell wall at $100,000. Um, so yeah, um, that's my guess. It could be later than that. I could be overly aggressive on that, but I think Bitcoin's going to $200,000 this year. And from the people that I follow, I follow my own sources, as does everyone who's on YouTube. Um, I'm pretty bearish when I say $200,000. So Nick, just going to turn off the brain and do the hold until 2024 plus. and not think about it for Bitcoin and ETH. Might move ETH into Bitcoin if ETH slows. I think that's a good call, Nick. I would be hesitant to do that for any other crypto other than Bitcoin and ETH. So yeah, good call on that. Andrea, what's up? Good to see you. Good to see you. Good to see everybody. Um, Loving some. I'm gonna check out Coinbase. I don't think they're. I think they're live on at around noon Eastern time in the United States. Oh, I don't want to go to Coinbase.com. Come on, I don't have much on Coinbase.com. I'm not a huge lover of Coinbase. I have like $1,500 on Coinbase. I bought some XLM today, by the way. I've been wanting to buy it, and I saw that I could buy it with Crow, or yeah, with what is that? Crypto.com. So Andrea asks, how much what percent of my portfolio is Bitcoin? Let me think. Man, it's going down because I've been converting Bitcoin to BNB lately, and I don't regret that. And I'll convert that back to Bitcoin later, but probably like 40%. But it was much more earlier this year. But right now it's about 40%. And ETH is probably, nah, you know what, maybe 35%, and ETH is probably 35%. And then Binance is probably 10 to 15%. That might even still be high now that I think about it. So um, I saw this video by this guy, Alex Becker. He made it a couple days ago. He's really big into not having much Bitcoin in your portfolio right now, and seeing trying in the short term to see those like 5x returns. And I took that to heart because, and I don't recommend this for some of you, honestly, but there's some cryptos. So when are we going to see the 5x with Bitcoin? We're going to see it at the tail end, for the most part, of this bull run. I mean, not, we'll 2x between now and, I don't know, May, June, July, something like that. But then, so that'll get us to like 120, and let's just say July, we'll get up to 120K. And then maybe we'll get to 240K, and that'll be the very peak in September or October. And his point is that there's a lot of these smaller cap coins that will 5x between now and June. And so why not, get a little bit aggressive, not 100% aggressive, but like why not take some risks on getting those 5x's now, and not waiting for this big jump in the price of Bitcoin, which is coming, and you'll do well. But and you have, but not only the huge jump in price of Bitcoin, but the huge jump in the price of altcoins. Um, so a lot of people are going to get burned because after that huge spike in Bitcoin, there's going to be this huge spike in altcoins, and then altcoins are going to crash hard. Bitcoin might not crash all that hard, but altcoins are going to crash hard. And so I'm taking my 5x in the next 3 months instead of being a bag holder in October, November, something like that, with my altcoins. So it was an um, interesting concept, interesting thought. Yeah, let's want to take those. So I'm not getting super aggressive, like super micro cap, but I am BNB and Cake are two big ones. I'm getting in on Crow a little more. I just bought some XLM today. What else? I mean, you can't go wrong with Theta. Um, Let me look at the heat map here. I forgot to even look at the Coinbase IPO stuff. That's at noon, so I'm not going to pay attention to that now. VeChain for sure. I just think, yeah, a lot of these coins are going to see better returns between now and July than Bitcoin will. So, yeah, Nick, I've given up on trying to time things like that. I tend to always lose the gamble. Um, and that's why I'm a little hesitant to even say this. What I'm talking about right now, it's like I'm just so I have room to do that because like I turned an investment of $50,000 into, well, I added over time, so maybe like $70,000 into something like 260, 270, maybe more than that. So I have room as long as I'm holding some Bitcoin. I'm comfortable with taking those risks. As noob, I just bought 50% Bitcoin, 25% ETH, and 25% other coins or so because timing those Bitcoin altcoin runs and swapping between requires some knowledge. So I bought everything. That's a great idea, and that's my recommendation in general for people. Like I have all day pretty much to research stuff and to see what the trends are. So it's not like I would recommend that you take my same approach. Because yeah, there's going to be for altcoins. You've just got to acknowledge that there is a bubble right now. There's a bubble, and I'm seeing all these new coins every day, and if you're on YouTube, you've seen my reviews of them, and um, at first I understand the game now with these new coins. It's like there's a pump and then there's a dump and then there's discovery mode. And so I've taken a lot more of a sober approach to these new cryptos that I'm reviewing, and just basically saying, all right, here's the things I'm looking for. I'm looking for a white paper. I'm looking for the dev team, and I'm looking for whales and seeing whale activity. And I'm like, enter at your own risk. But Poodle, dude, Poodle made an announcement. If any of you listening to me have bought Poodle, and I apologize because the price has gone down since I got really excited about Poodle. But they announced Poodle 2.0, which they're basically doing the experience. What? How do I say this? The With Poodle 2.0, anyone who owns regular Poodle in a few days, they're going to give you the exact amount of coins for Poodle 2.0. Sorry, I think I got disconnected on YouTube. So I made a TikTok this morning. For those of you on YouTube who don't follow my TikTok, basically complaining my initial Doge investment has 44x'd between now and between when I bought it and now, and that is by far my biggest return. And it's annoying because I didn't do any research on Doge. I bought Doge in 2013 when it first launched, and then my wallet got hacked, or my exchange, the exchange I held it on, got hacked, and so then I didn't really pay attention to it. And I was like, I'm going to buy some Doge. Why not? Want to put some money into Doge? Why not? And of course, the thing that I don't research at all, which has awful tokenomics, has outperformed everything else. So yeah, if you're seeing a lag on YouTube, I'm sorry about that. I got a notification that OBS got disconnected. So if that's still the case, let me know. I hope it's not. Isaiah Clary, what are you doing on my YouTube right now? Shouldn't you be in school? Or is that Michael Clary? Isaiah Clary, for those of you watching, is like um, one of my best friend's sons. My dad showed it to me. Okay, all right. Well, welcome, Isaiah. Learn some things about crypto. If you have any money, put some into it. So I saw I'm in study hall. Oh my goodness, Isaiah, you're ridiculous. Um, all right. Let's see. I saw crypto from Reddit when it was used as a token to gift gold. Oh my goodness. Yeah, Dogecoin. That's the thing about these altcoins, these meme coins, is that there's a niche for meme coins, and some of the ones that I've reviewed lately, they're going to have a future. So spread yourself thin, I guess, and hold on for several years. All right, what's the safest? All right, thoughts on Theta. I'm answering a question from TikTok. For those of you who don't know, I'm live on TikTok and YouTube right now. So thoughts on Theta. I love Theta. Um, I believe in the team more than anything else, and so I think that now's a great time to get in on Theta. I've seen some people say that Theta is going to get to $500 this year. I don't buy that. They're too big for that as it is right now. But yeah, I like Theta. So, what's the most safest beginner friendly wallet for crypto? I would say, oh man, um, I really like Trust Wallet, but some people have been complaining about Trust Wallet. So I have Trust Wallet and I really like it, but maybe not MetaMask. All right, thoughts on FOMO? I don't know anything about FOMO. I'll take a look at it. I'm assuming it's another meme coin, and their tokenomics are probably pretty similar to SafeMoon or something. But if you have any information on that, um, let me know. What about Poodle, Travis? Um, have you heard the news about Poodle? I'll wait until you answer that question. Huge news about Poodle. Huge news. So if you've heard about that, then oh man, I'm so fired up because yeah, it's stunk lately, but yeah, a lot of beginners like Coinbase. Yeah, I like Coinbase. So people are saying that 80 to 100, and even that is optimistic. I mean, I could see 80 to 100. I think it's gonna outperform Ethereum, which I think is gonna hit like 8 to 10,000. So let's see. All right, in the U.S., yeah, Coinbase in the U.S. Yes. All right. By the way, I'm sharing my screen on YouTube. So if you're watching me on TikTok, if you hop over to my YouTube page, you can see my screen. But let me check out FOMO. FOMO crypto. Oh man, this might be hard to find because FOMO crypto, maybe coin price, FOMO coin price. What's my YouTube? If you click on my profile on TikTok, there's a link to my YouTube, or you could look up the Stonk report. So yes, all right, FOMO coin market cap a little. All right, Travis, FOMO or sorry, Poodle. Let me answer this question about Poodle from Travis. Poodle is launching Poodle 2.0. So Poodle made the mistake of launching on the Ethereum network, which means that anytime you try to buy Poodle, you pay $60 or so in Ethereum gas fees. They're launching Poodle 2.0 on the Binance Smart Chain, which means that now which every crypto is doing that right now, every new crypto. Which now, if you want to buy some Poodle, you could buy like much smaller chunks and pay something like 60 cents to get in. So $60 versus 60 cents. But not only that, so for Poodle 2.0, everyone who owns Poodle, they're getting airdropped the same amount of Poodle of Poodle 2.0. And and so then they're going to launch Poodle 2.0 and do all the advertising and stuff. So the price of that Poodle 2.0 is going to shoot up like crazy. And then, there'll be people taking profits and have a sell off. So you're basically getting a free new crypto before the launch, a pre-sale of that, but for free. So I'm going to keep my eye on that for sure. But if you own Poodle, man, hold on tight. Don't. So I've been seeing people selling. It's like, what are you doing, you idiot? All right. By the way, I'm a beginner. Do I transfer money from my exchange account to my bank from my wallet? Um, Transfer money to your account, your exchange account, and then if you want to, um, Yeah, do everything through an exchange. Like if I were to sell any of the cryptos on my wallet, I would move it to Coinbase and then cash out essentially. So I've heard a lot about exchange getting hacked, so I'm pretty worried. Yeah, I mean Coinbase, you're not going to worry. You're not going to have to worry about that on any of the major ones. You're just not going to have to worry about that. So Okta, yeah, I have some Okta, so we'll see. It's been kind of lagging lately, but it's at the point now. Any of those that have their pre-sale and then their initial launch and then their sell-off, um, they are they're going to have sort of price discovery, and then the paper hands are going to sell, and the price is going to go down. But then after that, there'll be some life. So yeah, because I've heard a lot about exchange accounts getting. Oh yeah, I read that one. All right, and by the way, I'm live on TikTok and YouTube, so I will try to read every comment that I can um, share. So, and by the way, I am sharing my screen on YouTube, so those of you on TikTok, if you want to hop over to my YouTube and see. But let me, man, it's going to be hard to find FOMO coin. Oh, here we go. Never mind, FOMO coin. Let's take a look at FOMO coin. Another ICO is live. All right, 24 hours. That doesn't sound, I mean, that, did I get here right at the moment? No, never mind. I'm not even going to pay attention to that. It's already launched. You can send Ether to the address and get FOMO coins right. So it's on Ether's platform. I don't think that's a very good idea. Buy Poodle, wear MetaMask. Do it on MetaMask if you want to, but you're going to have to pay those ridiculous gas fees. So, all right, I'm checking out FOMO right now. All right, hope they list on Whitebit, then it will shoot up. All right, Alexander, about Whitebit, you know, I've seen a lot of hope with Whitebit, and and I've seen a lot of people use that to buy, you know, buy the rumor and sell the news. So be careful with that. Oh my goodness, I just want to see the tokenomics, and I don't see any tokenomics here. Yeah, on the Ethereum blockchain, that's enough of a reason for me to not want to buy this. They need to do stuff with their gas fees. So I'm done checking out FOMO. Yeah, okay, Travis, I'm holding 600 million, won't sell for a loss after gas fees. I will hold it forever. It never goes up, but that sounds good, man. Thanks for the info. Yeah, certainly. Yeah, so you'll get 600 million Poodle 2.0. And honestly, I mean, to be honest with you, man, I'm taking some profits. I'm going to take some profits. Or just, you know, I bought at point 0.000 et cetera 1.3, and then I bought more at point 0.000 et cetera 3.0, and so I've lost a lot on that, and I just want to get my money back on that. So try XMR. XMR, that's a fairly big one. So Monero, yeah, Monero. Um, I don't know a ton about Monero. I don't have any. Market cap is 5 billion. There really isn't a whole lot of upward movement. FOMO Labs. Okay, well, let's see. Yeah, I don't have any info on Monero. Private digital currency, for connected world. You are your own bank. You can spend safely knowing that others cannot see your balances or track your activity. That seems pretty interesting. Um, okay. I really, this is what I'm curious to see what the rank is on this. And the 20 rank 27th, honestly, I should know more about Monero. I just don't. So yeah, Whitebit did no good for Poodle. That's what I was thinking, Travis. When people are putting all of their hope in Whitebit, so in Whitebit listings, and I've seen it. So with Hoj, it got listed on Whitebit, and then it shot up like crazy. And then everyone expected, okay, well, we'll list on Whitebit and shoot up like crazy. And that's not what happened with Poodle. It's not what happened with SafeMoon. All these people on TikTok talking trash to me about SafeMoon. It's like, I use that as a buy the rumor, sell the news type thing, and it was the right choice. So thank you. Close the door. Yeah. So let's see. All right, Bitcoin's not a major sell-off, but we'll see. So I'm gonna munch a little bit while I'm streaming. I'm gonna be here for a while, by the way. So whatever you guys want to talk about, let's talk. You know. All right, I'm reading a text, but I'm back. I need to check something out real quick. All right, I am back. Now you can watch me eat my lunch. What else? I'm going to see if Coinbase is live. FOMO will moon. All right. GameStop bouncing back. That's nice to see. You gonna let me see Coinbase? Coinbase. No info about Coinbase yet. It's all good. All right, Travis, what about Hodge Finance? Yeah. Um, I think Hoj is going to be one of those many meme coins that exists um, 5 years from now. Any of these that have life 5 years from now will be worth a lot more. And so I'm seeing, this is what I'm seeing. I know you can see me on my screen on YouTube, and it's bouncing back. That's the thing that I really I'm curious about this is I think it's hit its low. And okay, 107 million market cap, 4.5 million. Um, I can't see. Oh yeah, all right. Yes. Um, so 107 million market cap, 4.5 million trading volume. So their circulating supply is just going to keep decreasing. I think people are starting to believe again and believe in it long term. So I have hope. I have hope for Hoj. I do have hope for SafeMoon. I really think that, you know, SafeMoon has a chance to do exactly what Dogecoin has done. I mean, could you imagine buying Dogecoin in 2013, really anytime, 2015, and holding it until now? So I like Hoj. I'm almost done with my lunch, by the way, so I'll be able to talk more soon. All right, almost done with my lunch. Willem, that's a good question, Willem. Um, I'm not gonna lie to you. It's increasing my subscriber base. Willem on YouTube asks, may I ask why you are so focused on these starting coins? Aren't they like pump and dump ish? Um, so that's not just entirely because, um, man, all right, my conscience is clean in the sense that when I first started seeing these coins, Willem, I thought this is amazing, this is great, and then over and over again, I started seeing the same thing, and I got smarter and realized, yeah, these are pump and dump ish, and Gwarns, what's up? And so now I've been focusing on. If you watch my like two most recent videos, you'll see that I'm a lot more sober about these coins, and and I give lots and lots of warnings about them. And so that might be annoying, but man, what do I do? It's like um, I I'm being honest now. Well, I've always been honest. I've always done it with a clear conscience. And I don't know if you noticed this, Willem, but you don't get notified when you and it's not in your subscription fee. So I make these videos about these new coins, and now I'm being honest, completely sober about them. And you're not seeing it in your subscription feed. You're not getting notified because I manually put it so that you aren't notified about it. And and then I just share it with the community that's following it. Um, so yeah, now I've taken a turn because I've kind of figured out the game, and I've been posting honest reviews about them instead of exciting reviews, because I really was excited about all of them, but then I learned like what the stick is. But when at the same time, 4 years from now, these coins are gonna some of them are gonna be worth a lot more than they are now. So my subscribers base is growing. I'm going to keep doing it, but posting honest reviews about it. That's all. So Gorns. All right, a lot of people are making a lot of money. I'm mad at myself. I can't find my moonshot. Sold my NFT. That's awesome. That's awesome. They get listed on one big exchange on Friday. Who does? All right, Gorns. I was just talking about these recent review videos I've made of these newish coins. Um, I I feel bad looking back on it because I didn't really get a complete picture of what was happening, but I've changed my tune. So yeah, Gorge, Poodle. I'm so excited about Poodle 2.0, and here I am. I mean, I bought a lot of money. I bought like $3,000 worth of Poodle, and I've lost a lot of money. Um, but Poodle 2.0, it's awesome. So I mean, do you know much about it? Um, because we're getting airdropped a we're getting airdropped an equal amount of Poodle 2.0 that we own. So Willem, that's not at all. I am telling you the truth. That's not at all my intention with my investments skyrocketing. I this is getting me a lot more subscribers. Um, so the hustle is more so, all right, I'm making these videos, I'm reviewing them, I'm sharing the good and the bad now, and I'm sharing those on the subreddit for that coin. I'm sharing those on the telegrams for that coin. I'm sharing it on Twitter. And any video that I make, I'll automatically get 10 new subscribers. Some of them I'll get way more than that. So it's not about pumping it, because like really, if I'm not in for the airdrop or for the pre-sale, I'm not going to make a ton of money. It's about the subscribers. So yeah. Oh, thanks, Willem. Yeah, keep that in mind. Just like, you know, I'm hoping to shift to more live streaming, because that's also helping me gain subscribers on YouTube. So we'll talk about more like the good stuff, the big stuff. And all right, so don't understand how I'm supposed to get them airdropped. My Poodle is in MetaMask. They will be dropped to your MetaMask. And then my recommendation would be to transfer that to something like, I don't know if you can if you have Trust Wallet or something like that. Find a way to get it on PancakeSwap and then sell some. How do I find new airdrops? Mm, probably there's some websites that I've been to that I just, it's been too confusing for me. But crypto moonshots, or not airdrops. So Gorns, you talking about, all right, you had to link your wallet to Binance. Are you talking about for airdrops? Or because I haven't had a ton of airdrops. or I haven't participated in many airdrops. There's you know, I haven't looked into this too much. I've downloaded some apps on my phone that are basically like airdrop alerts, but I'm not focused too much on that. I'm just focused more on other, you know, the main cryptos that I hold. So, all right. So to get the Poodle V2, yeah, you just have to. If you have MetaMask, it's going to drop in MetaMask, and you'll see it there one day, maybe this week. Apparently, you have to link MetaMask to the Binance Smart Network. Um, okay, yeah, there is a way to do that because it's just I can't even begin to explain to you how to do that. So, oh man, Gorns, yeah, I can't help you. Um, all right, one second. I just need to handle something here. Okay, I'm going back live on TikTok. Yeah, it's not hard. Let me see. Let me see, Gorns, if so I have my MetaMask here. I don't think I'm going to share any private information. Um, so I transferred some Smart Chain, Binance Smart Chain um, to MetaMask. Let me expand here. And so here's what I did. All right, ETH Poodle Reddit will explain, but I had to create a new network. So this BSC mainnet, I had to create that, and it was so the thing I did was I clicked on custom RPC, and then did some things, and I just copied and pasted and made BSC mainnet, and I was just following instructions. If I can do it, you can do it. So how deep am I going on coin? I'm not getting any Coinbase. I'd rather just have the actual crypto than the coin. So, ooh, good. I still have some coffee left, but I am going to have to take a piss soon. Sweet, that makes sense. Awesome. All right. When is Coinbase launching, man? I thought it was noon. Guess not. I want to jump on coin for the ride. Yeah, you might. I haven't done really all that much research onto what we should expect here. I know one thing I'm going to do when that Bitcoin peak happens, I'm going to be shorting Coinbase. That's just me. And you know, I'll probably not make any, I'll probably lose money, but whatever. Oh, crude oil. All right, crude oil is $63.07 a barrel, which relates to crypto and Bitcoin because what are we talking about? You know, hyperinflation or things like that. And I'm just noticing this. For those watching on TikTok, I'm sharing my screen on my YouTube channel, the Stonk Report. So let's see. So it's gone, man. All right. All right. I mean, obviously, in April of 2020, it would have crashed, not crashed, but naturally it would have gone down because everything was going down. And so, but then, so it's 1694, it's quadrupled. The price of a barrel of oil has quadrupled since April of 2020. To me, what does hyperinflation have to do with that? It has something to do with it. I mean, I'm not all in on the hyper, like we're going to be experiencing hyperinflation, because I was saying stuff like that in 2010 when quantitative easing started, and there was no hyperinflation, whereas there should have been hyperinflation, but there was none. And so, um, so we'll see about this time around. It's like, I mean, they've taken extraordinary measures that make 2010 look like nothing. So we'll see. So I was here yesterday asking about Boson. Did you get a chance to look into it a little bit? I still haven't had a firm grasp on it to say to you that like this is some kind of new revolutionary thing, but I like it. From what I saw, I really, really like it. So, yeah. QE does not cause inflation because that money never reaches consumers. That's an interesting point, Warns. But the money that they've printed has absolutely reached consumers. IDA gonna crash more today. ITA. I don't know. It's gonna crash. What's gonna crash more? Um, I mean, I'm looking at coin360.com on my computer. I'm sharing that with my YouTube live streamers, and nothing's crashing really. So I'd love to know what you mean by that. Oh, are you the same one from yesterday? No, you're not. Cryptos are not crashing. What are you talking about? Bitcoin is up, Ethereum's up, Binance is down by 0.62%. DOT is up, VET is up big time, Doge is up big time, Chainlink's up, XRP's down 3.59%. Safe and easy coin. I'm on to you. All right, let's check out Safe and Easy coin. But when everyone is spending it. All right, that's why this time is different. Doesn't matter if magical printer money, staying in trust funds, rich people accounts, and assets. But when everyone is spending it, that will drive hyperinflation. That's a really good point, Gorns. I need to definitely take that in mind. Take that in mind. Keep that in mind. What does flash dump mean? I don't know. What does it mean? All right, I am live on YouTube and on Facebook, or on TikTok, Facebook. All right, I'm not seeing a website for Safe and Easy. Join the Telegram. The owner is only in it for the success of the coin. Yeah, I've heard that a lot. So I'll reserve my judgment until I check it out. Charizard coin is going to move for real. I took a look at that. I'm curious about their NFTs. All right, so Safe and Easy looks like it's dumped. Okay, so we'll see. We'll see. It's still early. Safe and Easy.xyz. All right, I'll check it out. Charizard coin. They seem to think that they can make Pokemon NFTs and not get in trouble for it. And so we'll see about that. I'm a little skeptical, but you know, whatever. Whatever. I don't trust any Gorns from YouTube. One of my long-term friends. I don't trust any coin with the word safe in it. Mark it on your greatest weakness. Yeah. Ooh. Some marketing wisdom there. There we go. That's pretty interesting. NFT dropping tomorrow. A Pokemon NFT. So sell-off was to eliminate whales. Yeah, I mean that's what happens with every crypto with Safe and Easy. So whoa. All right, worst. I found a new coin today, Hello Moon. It has 100 coins supply at currently $1.60 a piece. That is interesting. That's very interesting. And again, for those of you on TikTok, I'm sharing my screen on YouTube. If you want to follow the YouTube live stream, go ahead and you can see the screen that I'm on right now. You can read about potential copyright in issues the yeah, I did read about potential copyright issues, and I'm still not sure, but Hello Moon, 100 coins. That's insane. $1.45 right now. It's been as high as $11. Not surprised by that. All right, so I want to see. I'm going to take a look at the Hello Moon holders. Hello Moon, worst 719. It was $28 for a minute. Wow, 100 coin supply for Hello Moon. That's wild. So Pancake Swap only has 7.88 coins left, which means if you were to try to buy one coin, you would drive the price of that coin would skyrocket. Not skyrocket, but all right. A point from Gorns on YouTube. All right, so where are the Charizard people from? What country are they from? Because if they're from a country with no copyright issues, no copyright law, why not? And maybe that's a consideration that I need to keep in mind. So, man, I want to throw a few bucks at this Hello Moon. Throw $2 at Hello Moon. That's hilarious. That somebody with 14 of a coin would be considered a whale. So let's see what this person has done. Bought more. Wow. All right, so this is the dev, and since they launched, they put 100 coins on Pancake Swap, and then bought more coins themselves. So good for you, man. That seems very honest. It's really easy to see whale activity and to see that the dev is in. So this could artificially go crazy. It's a huge gamble. It's going to be unbelievably volatile. So, anytime you sell a little bit of that coin, you're going to crash the price pretty hard. But I'm going to check that coin. That's pretty funny. So, what else we want to talk about? Let's see. Doge is ridiculous. So stupid. Yeah, I'm going to drive up the price of a coin that prints 10,000 a minute and 14.4 million a day. And that's what kind of got me interested in taking a look at all these other coins, Safe Moon, Risk Moon, et cetera, because their tokenomics are far superior to Dogecoin's. But Dogecoin has 8 years of existence behind it versus weeks for these other coins, and they have a vibrant community. So Binance is in the green today. Cardano, Doge, Vet's up big. How's Crow doing? I bought some Crow yesterday. Up 6.29%. Cool. All right. Crow to the moon, maybe. Okay, Bitcoin is climbing back. I mean, a lot of cryptos are climbing back. Not that they're having a bad day or anything, but Bitcoin got up to like 64,700. That's its new all-time high, and then it got down to 62 something. So it's nice to see potential bounce back. So yeah, doing really well on Moderna. Awesome. Yeah, I don't have any, and I unfortunately haven't learned enough about it. Somebody asked me to check that out today. I was like, man, yeah, I don't know much. But for something that's 27th in market cap, oh wait a second, never mind. Moderna Monero. Okay, thank you, J and J. I got Moderna and Monero mixed up in my mind. All right, thank you, J and J and AZ Oxford Bladklatz. All right, let's see. Coinbase is still not live. What's up? What's up? Waiting for Coinbase to launch. We will see. Monero is just for the Silk Road, let's be honest. All right. I'll take your word for it. All right. Hello Moon. What else can we talk about today? Um Bitcoin seems to be bouncing back. It had a little bit of a sell-off. I'm curious about Riot blockchain. VeChain. Yes, sir. I do like VeChain. I have a little bit, not a ton. But man, stupid Riot blockchain. Yeah, it's the most private blockchain out there. Okay. Oh. Okay, I'm with you, Warns. Wow. All right. Safe and easy. Woohoo! Don't care all that much about safe and easy. All right. Yeah, I will look at the chart. I'll look at the chart. But you seem to be shilling this pretty hard, which makes me not want to buy it. Most dark web markets don't take Bitcoin anymore, just Monero. Interesting. No, not sponsor Bitcoin to criminals anymore. Oh, snap. I see it shooting up. Well, good for you if you're in it. I'm not gonna touch it, but congrats. Lots of buying. Maybe one day I'll be kicking myself that I didn't buy any safe and easy. All right, Bitcoin. Let's see. 1-day chart, please. A lot of crime agencies are using blockchain analysis to catch Bitcoin transactions and get prosecutions. I believe it. Oh, I know. Publicity is key, and Safe and Easy is flooding socials. I know how the game is played. I've made plenty of money, and I've lost plenty of money on different coins. And I'm okay with not making or losing money on Safe and Easy. Downside of the public side blockchain, if they can tie the address to you. Yeah. Okay. All right. So Bitcoin, yeah, Bitcoin topped out a little bit above 64.6. Now it's 63.8. See a W, somewhat of a W with an M in between. Looks like maybe that's bearish. Or it was bearish. I mean, maybe that's bullish is what I meant. So all right. I think I'm going to call it a day and handle some other things. But it was good chatting. Especially good to see you, Gwarns, because I really wanted to catch up with you on Poodle. So, all right, coin launch in 45 minutes. Good to know. But yeah, I will be heading out, and I'll see you around.